In the fast-paced world of technology, not every innovation hits the mark. Over the past decade, we've seen numerous tech products and ideas that promised to revolutionize our lives, but ultimately fell short. Let's explore the 10 biggest tech flops and failures of the last decade and the lessons they offer. Launched in 2013, Google Glass was heralded as the future of wearable technology. It promised to change how we interact with the digital world. However, privacy concerns, a steep price, and limited functionality led to its downfall. The world wasn't ready, and neither was the product, which felt more like a prototype than a polished device. Juicero, a $700 juicer launched in 2016, required proprietary juice packs to operate. The startup raised over $120 million, only for users to discover they could squeeze the packs by hand. Juicero became a symbol of Silicon Valley's excesses, solving a non-existent problem with a product nobody needed. It shut down in less than 2 years. In the early 2010s, manufacturers like Sony and Samsung pushed 3D televisions as the next big thing in home entertainment. However, the need for special glasses, limited content, and high costs deterred consumers. By 2017, most brands had quietly abandoned their 3D ambitions, as viewers saw little benefit over regular high-definition televisions. Hoverboards took the world by storm in 2015, with viral videos and celebrity endorsements. However, poor quality batteries led to overheating and fires, turning them into safety hazards. The lack of regulation and inconsistent safety standards caused the fad to fizzle out as quickly as it had begun, leaving a trail of disappointed consumers. Theranos, founded in 2003, promised to revolutionize blood testing with just a few drops of blood. At its peak, it was valued at $9 billion. However, the technology didn't work, and the company was built on secrecy and deception. Under regulatory scrutiny and whistleblower reports, Theranos collapsed, becoming a cautionary tale of overhyped promises. Amazon's Fire Phone, launched in 2014, aimed to break into the smartphone market but failed spectacularly. Despite unique features like 3D display technology, it lacked key apps, was overly tied to Amazon's ecosystem, and was priced too high. Within a year, Amazon cut its losses, taking a $170 million hit. Facebook's Libra, launched in 2019, aimed to create a global digital currency. However, it faced fierce regulatory scrutiny and lacked support from key financial players. Concerns about data privacy and financial stability led to its rebranding and eventual abandonment. The project never overcame the trust issues it raised. Quibi, launched in 2020 with $1.75 billion in funding, aimed to revolutionize mobile video with short premium content. However, it launched during the pandemic when people weren't commuting, its primary target market. Coupled with a confusing value proposition and stiff competition, Quibi shut down just 6 months later. The Segway, introduced in 2001, was touted as a futuristic mode of transportation. However, its high cost, awkward design, and niche market limited its appeal. While it found some use in certain industries, it never lived up to its promise as a mainstream vehicle, becoming more of a novelty than a necessity. The Metaverse, pitched as the future of the internet, aimed to create an immersive digital world. Despite significant investments from major tech giants, it struggled with vague use cases, clunky hardware, and a lack of consumer interest. High costs and technical challenges compounded the problem, and it remains largely niche today.